We are about to cross what is famously known as the Kilifi Bridge. This 420-meter long bridge, built in 1991, connects Mombasa County to Kilifi County. The bridge was opened on 15th May 1991, more than 23 years ago, making it a lifeline for thousands of Kenyans. This bridge is more than just concrete and steel. It is the platform connecting communities and transforming lives in unimaginable ways. As I walked across the top deck of this bridge, I took every moment to appreciate the beautiful views. The greenery surrounding the ocean makes the ocean feel so therapeutic. From where I stand, listening to the soothing oceanic sound waves makes everything feel beautiful and serene. Can you imagine how difficult it would have been to get to Kilifi from Mombasa if this bridge did not exist? This two-lane bridge is incredibly sturdy, designed to withstand heavy traffic and the test of time. With foundations that go up to 60 meters below the seabed, which is deeper than some of the tallest buildings in Kilifi, the bridge is said to have been deeply rooted beneath the ocean floor. This was meant to ensure both stability and durability. On each side of the bridge, the Indian Ocean along the Kilifi Creek gracefully takes center stage. The clear blue water surrounded by the mangrove makes this bridge from under there an impressive spectacle. Before this bridge was constructed, traveling across Kilifi Creek was by dhows and small boats, which could be risky during rough tides. A few meters from here, there is an old port which was used to ferry cars. This bridge has not only made travel safer, but has also made the journey shorter. Down below, life is buzzing. Fishermen are busy pulling in fresh catches. There are lots of boats in the ocean. If you are feeling adventurous, you can take a boat ride or join the locals for a refreshing swim. The creek is alive with stories and traditions that have stood the test of time. This bridge has been fitted with streetlights which have been properly bolted on the bridge with precision to reduce and prevent any type of vandalism to ensure there is security at night. Speaking of safety, the bridge's walkways or pedestrian pathways are built with steel, making them strong enough to prevent pedestrians from not only toppling over and falling into the ocean, but also from being hit by vehicles while using the bridge. There are some small design holes at the bridge which are not regular holes. They are water outlets whose main purpose is to allow for quick removal of any water from the bridge to prevent flooding. There are also gaps on the deck along the span girders, known as expansion gaps. These gaps on the walls of the bridge help maintain the shape of the bridge while it is being used. If you ever get the chance, I highly recommend that you come walk across this bridge. It's a whole new way to see the Kenyan coastline, the infrastructure, and the beaches. It only takes roughly 5 to 10 minutes to cross this bridge depending on your speed. To enable us keep bringing you amazing stories like this, please subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next adventure. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.